Hey guys, it's Addie, and today I'm going to show you guys how I got my hair so silky and straight at home. Starting off, I washed my hair with the Soapbox Tea Tree shampoo. I think it categorizes as a clarifying shampoo, but it doesn't strip my hair at all. Then I followed up with the Afrogy 2-step protein treatment. I only use this every 4 to 6 months. And just because the protein treatment is fairly strong, I went in with some of the Nexus conditioner, my favorite conditioner of all time, and I let that sit on my head for about 5 to 10 minutes just to soften up my hair a little more. I did cut out most of the blow drying process just because it is repetitive, but I went in with my Cream of Nature leave-in detangler spray. It's super cheap. It's around $4 to $5 and is one of the only things that really helps me get through my hair. For my heat protectant, I use the Silk Elements heat protectant spray. It's one of my all-time favorite heat protectant sprays. As you can see, I spray quite a bit and it doesn't weigh my hair down at all. For my blow dryer, I think it's the Hot Tools blow dryer. I got it years ago at Sally's and it comes with the comb attachment. And like with any other comb, I start at my ends and I work my way up slowly to prevent any unnecessary breakage. I don't know why it looks like I'm being so rough on my hair because I promise I'm really being so gentle. I think it's because after the Afrogy protein treatment, my hair is just always so unnecessarily dry. That's why I do use the conditioner. I probably should have let it sit on there longer, but it's okay. Also, make sure to give your hair time to cool down after blow drying. Don't go straight into flat ironing your hair just because your hair can get overheated, which will lead to heat damage. I did do most of my hair off camera just because it's so redundant, but to actually straighten my hair, I go back in with the Silk Elements heat protectant spray. I use quite a lot actually, before flat ironing, just to prevent any heat damage. Don't want any. A little protection ain't never hurt nobody. And I also section off my hair to make sure I'm getting every single strand, every nook and cranny. I'm not about to have heat damage. As you can see, I sectioned off a pretty thin section, and I'm going to go back in and thin it out even more. I take super thin sections to make sure I can get my roots as flat as possible, which will increase the longevity of my silk press. Yes, it will take longer, but I promise that extra 30 minutes to an hour will be so worth it because my silk presses last about, I don't know, maybe a month. The flat iron I use is the Red Chi flat iron on 410. I never go higher than that. It's also the highest heat setting on this flat iron, which is probably also why I never go higher than that. But even if I had another flat iron, I can't see myself going higher than 410. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. 10 bad bitches in a mash. Rich on Millie rock, them diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your I'm using the chase method. If you don't know what that is, I basically just take a fine tooth comb like this and I thoroughly detangle my hair before I flat iron. You don't want to flat iron your hair with undetangled crunchy pieces of hair. And then I take the comb and I leave it in my hair while I'm flat ironing. When you working hard and your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage bitch, but no I'm not. I also try to do one pass and one pass only. But sometimes my roots are really uncontrollable, so I do 2 passes at the root, but the length of my hair is usually 1 pass. No more than 2 passes though. Don't go over that. Don't do it. And these are the results, guys. I'm so happy with it, even though my expression is not displaying that. I look so mad. I don't know why. I'm sorry, y'all, but if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see much more from me, guys. Bye.